Dear friends, today I'm going to share an information about how can you change your Skype ringtone. In Skype menu, click on Tools and Options. In Skype options, you can see Sounds. In Sounds menu, you'll find out Import Sounds. Click on it, and then here you can see the ringtone, how to change it. But the ringtone must be in WAV format and its file size must not be bigger than 1.4 MB. You can click upon it and open. Right after opening, you can see your ringtone. Under the menu, choose which sound to play. Here is your ringtone and you can see after playing it. Now you have to save it, and your Skype ringtone is changed now.